Yo, we fight like man, no fucking fear, boys. We smash all these fucking retards, man. Go here.
I'm on the
Yo,
gate.
give a scout. Yeah, give a scout backline. If you get flanked, full push backline first. Okay, they got 3 Zergs.
Curse is coming southeast now. Curse is
3
coming
Zergs, all different tech. Okay,
Curse
3
coming
Zergs, all different
southeast.
tech. Okay, come southwest. Come southwest. We can put. Yo, listen. Once 1 minute is up, we can pull away from the hideout already. Okay.
Curse is to your east.
Hold on me. Wait,
Curse is dismounted to your northeast. Like
Hold on me.
2 screens. 2 screens.
Okay. Come south. We can leave the hideout. The hideout is above us up already. Guys, stay on me. Come out of here.
They're 2 screens northeast again, Brofus. 2 screens northeast. They're walking.
Come east. Yeah, I see.
They're at boots.
Oh. Come back. Defend. Yo, can we hit this?
You can
east. Walk in. We go one tap there. Walk in east. Yo, can we one tap this guy? Walk in. No engage yet. Just walk in. Don't engage yet. We one tap there. Okay, walk in. Get it. Walk in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One shot. Respawn. One shot them. Respawn. 1 shot. Yo, all the way. Rash. All the way, man. We one shot them. Holy shit. Yo, all the way. Guys, all the way. Don't stop pushing. Push all the way, cuss. Push all the way to the road. We fucking one tap them. All the way east. Fucking motherfuckers get fucked, man. Yo, come east. All the way up the road. Okay, we got road behind now. Guys, stop and come back to me. Come reground my ping. Reground my ping. Come south now.
Southwest.
Yeah, come south now. Yo, listen, we want that goat next, okay? Come southwest. Yo, we go on goat now. Come southwest. Let them engage into us. Okay, listen, push southeast. Listen, come southeast. We go down the road. Yeah, we come down the road. Come down the road. Come southeast now. Yo, listen, walk northwest. Listen, Rash, we need to play aggressive now. We need to wipe every single Zerg, alright? Listen, come north. Yo, come northeast. Yeah, come northeast. Walk northeast. We want that dog. Walk north. Okay, look west now. Come west. Get it. Look northwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One them on the hideout. One them down the hideout, man. Holy fucking shit, man. Yo, respawn going now. All the way west. Push all the way north of hideout. Push all the way, man. Push all the fucking white fucking dog shit, man. Yo, come. Push now. Okay, listen. Ho. Turn south now. Look at goat south. Everybody look south now. Look south. You chase goat to the south now. Look south. Come south. Walk south. You go again. We wanted them. Walk in. Respawn. Walk in now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything south. Fucking dog shit, man. Now we wait nameless to zone in and then we fucking wipe them too, man. Yo, come east. Yo, they're east. Walk east. Yeah, defense east. Yo, Rash on the road east. They're all on the east. Yeah, walk in to them, no fear. Thanks, walk in. All the way in, boys. No fucking fear. Walk in on the road. Get it, boys. Thanks, give me a CC now. In 10 seconds, walk in all the way. Get it. Deep southeast on the road. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. They have nothing now. Okay, push west together. Nameless gonna come from behind. They're not gonna know what the fuck hit them, man. Yo, finish up these guys. Okay, listen now. Turn northeast. Yo, we turn northeast now. Turn northeast now. Face northeast now. Rash, northeast, okay? Where the fuck are they? Yo, give me a scout. No, they fucking run, man. Fucking dog shit. Yo, finish them out. Kill them all.
Yeah, all the rats are looting on the west. There's a million rats.
That was huge.
Okay, alright, come south.
I'm on them.
Okay.
They're dismounted to the north.
They dismounted on the north. Yo, we regroup.
Never mind. It's just a few tanks.
Okay, it's fine. Yo, we regroup now. Rash, we walk towards them. Let's walk towards them.
They're going towards the gate.
Mount up. Come towards the gate.
I think they might be running.
We chase.
Yo, OC.
Are they on the gate? They zone in?
Yeah, they're on. They're literally
come
running.
Come north first.
The half ran.
Okay, come west.
Yeah.
Chase the block on the west. You see the west block?
I'm going up to scout that now.
Okay, I go. Okay, same. Just go together. I feel like they will full push one side if we don't.
Yeah, this is nameless.
Did this man? Yo, Tanks, can you go and catch them?
They're not dismounted. They're still mounted. Still mounted.
We catch them, we catch them, we catch them, we catch them. They waiting for allies. They don't realize that all the allies are all wiped. Yo,
They just
chase.
They're going northwest.
Come northwest, come on. Can we catch them? Can we catch them here? Can we catch them here? Can we catch them? They're running to the west of the choke.
They're
Catch them.
yeah. They're running. through all the
They're running
rocks.
something. Oh my god, dude, they're running through all the choke, man.
Yeah,
They're running through all the choke, man. Catch them. It's fine. Just come, Yo, yeah. Dismount together. Catch it.
Oh, nice catch.
Oh my fucking god. You kill. Dismount here.
They're dismounted and overcharged.
Okay, come west. Yo, listen, we full push nameless. Walk
screens
to
to the
nameless.
west.
Yeah, walk west, guys. Walk west. Guys, yo,
They're walking
careful
in.
the choke. I don't know, walk north. Get you, respawn, defend. Walk in, guys, respawn, walk in. I don't know, go all the way west, walk in. Just walk in. Resh, walk all the way. Guys, walk all in, walk in. Deep west. Keep walking in. Don't engage yet, keep walking in. Just walk in. Don't engage yet, keep walking in. 5,
They're
4,
split, they're
3,
split.
2, 1. Northwest now, northwest. Chase them northwest on my ping. Northwest on my ping.
They're looking to engage.
Northwest on my ping. Yo, Resh, you need to come with me, yeah? Alright, hold here. Yeah, hold here. Yo, listen, hold here now. We look north. Who is north? Yo, come north.
Go southeast.
Okay, come southeast. Okay, it's fine. Come southeast. It's fine, come southeast.
Bomb's got east.
Come east. Yo, we run over east. Come east. Walk together, it's fine. Kill everything here. Just walk together, it's fine. We're fine. You listen, walk north. We go around this rock, okay? They're on the west side. Go around this rock. Look west, I'm gonna engage first.
They're engaging.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west on the backline. Yo, wrap around now. Do a wrap around.
Nameless in our back line to the west.
Walk in. Rash, keep pushing. Walk in. I'm on the backline. I'm on the another backline. They have nowhere to go. Listen, walk south, guys. Push south against the wall. Rash, keep pushing. I'm backline behind them. I'm walking inside them. Yo, walk northwest. We're running them over northwest. Run northwest, guys. Walk northwest. We're literally inside them. Walk west. Get it. Keep walking, guys. Keep walking in. Thanks. Keep walking in. Walk through the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything through a choke. Deep, push through the choke and go deep. They turning on the choke. Keep going in, guys. Push through the choke and go deep. West against the wall. You don't see my ping, you're too far behind, man. You come all the way south. The boss squad coming in. Stop the boss squad. Good stop. Walk in. Finish him out.
There's a gala.
Finish out. Yo, careful. Together now. It's south. Look, it's south. Walk south. Thanks. Stop them. Look south. Kill them. Okay, hold. Listen, regroup. Regroup my ping. Kill the guy in south, please. Hold here. Look west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this brimstone bomb squad. No. Listen, Rash. We need to regroup first. Everybody's too split up. Okay. Come northeast, guys. Come northeast. Alright, we good. We need to regroup. That was kind of like too spread. Everybody chasing out randomized targets, guys. Regroup on me, please. Stop chasing. Come northeast. Be disciplined, man. Come northeast. You guys don't be disciplined. You gotta be like fucking dogs like them, man. Come northeast.
Yo, can we stop looting?
Come northeast. Yo, whoever in fucking Judicate, you loot right. You're fucking G-King, man. Come east.
Yo, buddy.
They're done? Where are they? Where the fuck? They're regrouping somewhere. I just don't know. South? Okay, come southeast.
Yeah, there's nothing to the northeast.
Come southeast. Yo, get to the front. Look, you're so far behind. Mount up and get in front, man. You guys so fucking far away, man. Yo, come south. Yo, those at the back. Can you mount up and get in front, man? You guys so far behind. Okay, tell me if they dismount. Northwest, come northwest. Yeah, they're northwest of us. Yo, northwest. Yo, come north, Judicate, come north. Yo, listen, Vermin, Judicate, come north. They're northwest. Rash, we push west, okay? Come west. Guys, come west. We're gonna full push them. Walk in, get it. Look northwest. Get it northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, northwest front line. Northwest front line. What?
It's gonna flank around the east. They're still mounted.
Just run in to nameless. Run into nameless, man. Walk in, boys. Walk in, all the way in, respawn, walk in. Walk in deep, walk in deep, walk in deep. No fucking fear, just walk in. Just walk in. Come up this cliff and walk into them. Just walk in, just walk in, just walk in. 10 seconds, keep walking in. Thanks, I want you in their fucking ass, man. Walk into nameless, man. Walk into name. We fucking full idea, next engage. Walk in, get in for the turn, respawn, respawn. Get it, we full turn north, southeast. Southeast in 5 against the wall. Southeast 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything southeast. Everything southeast now. Everything southeast now. Full push southeast now. Everything southeast. Everything southeast, guys. Everything. Yo, guys. Deep southeast. Deep southeast. Deep southeast, guys. Deep southeast against the wall. You guys are not looking at the fucking wall, man. Deep
Ghost
southeast.
dismounted southeast now.
Southeast, 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 southeast. They're gonna friendly fire. They dismount southeast. What the fuck is this shit? Yo, kill everything here. Kill everything here. Kill everything here. And push south. Kill everything here and push south. Push south together. 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 Yo, can my Zerg right listen to my call for engagement? You guys are not hitting shit, man. Listen. Come east a bit. Come in. Defend. 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 Get in full counter. Look south. Look south. Inside us. Look inside us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this shit inside us. Hit this shit inside us. Yo, we're getting flanked on the east, okay? Come, everybody come southwest. Everybody come southwest. Everybody come southwest. I know, come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest now. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Stabilize here. Stabilize here. Stabilize here. Stabilize here. Stabilize here. Come southwest. Come south. Yo, Resh, we kite south to the choke, okay? We kite south. We need some stabilization here. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Yo, come southwest. 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 My Zerg is like not hitting together. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Hold here. Hold here. Hold here. Guys, regroup us. Regroup us. Regroup us. Regroup us. Sorry. I'm gonna engage down the choke. Look east. Look east. Get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the choke. Down the choke. Down the choke. Where's my Zerg, man? You come back. Come back. Where's my Zerg? What the fuck? You come back.
Yeah, I think most of it's wiped, breakfast.
Okay. Yo, Rash. Okay. We full set now. We full set. Walk now. Walk now. Walk now. We engage together with them. We engage together with.
Jumping for the giant. Jumping for the giant.
Yeah, walk in, just walk in. I know. I'm walking with you. I'm walking with you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. Keep it delete this. Finish this up. Oh fuck, dude. Walking. We walking with Resh. I'll engage with you. Push west, southwest. Push southwest. Yo, we play together with Troy. We play one engage now. Walk southwest. Alright. We gonna turn northeast now. Can we stabilize? Guys, come southwest a bit. Okay, hold here. Okay, we turn northeast now. Can we kill this tank inside of us? Kill this tank. Come south. Hold here. Okay, we got full send, okay? Get it, respawn, walk in, we got full send in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full send. All the way northeast, good shit. All the way northeast now, full send now, before they fucking react. Full send northeast now, all the way in now.
They're broken on the northeast.
All the way east, chase them east. You see them running on the east, chase them. Alright, I'm same Kura as you. Yo, inside of us, we engage inside of us, okay? Hold, finish up these guys, hold. Okay, come east, walk east. On the southwest, yo, straight southwest of you, look southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full counter this shit, yo, full counter southwest right now. Full counter southwest, they're so fucking spread, dude. I feel like they're as confused. Yo, just kill them, run them down southwest, together. They're as broken as us, man, they're so fucking spread.
No, they're playing flank squad.
But who are they flanking for? They don't have a main Zerg, what the fuck?
No, that's the thing, I think they're just playing like that. They've got a bomb flank and a side flank.
This guy. Come at northeast. I don't see anything more.
I think that's it.
Fucking dog shit, man. Holy shit, yo, mount up.
Good job, everyone.
Finish up this guy. Can we kill this guy? Is he a red? No, man, he's a very red, don't chase. Alright, let's regroup. Yo, regroup on the hideout. Regroup on Triad hideout, then we run back together.
Yeah, all I can say is Kamikaze has made a lot of money out of this fight today. Yo, there's so many rats dismounted here. All goat. Kill these fucking goats. All the goats dismounted. Ghost dismounted to the northeast.
Wait, come west? How many?
There's the whole party. Like,
Wait, give me a ping.
northeast on the choke. Northeast
Yo,
on the choke.
yo, listen, northwest, yo, Resh, northwest on the choke, right? Go dismounted, like one party. I'm gonna go wipe them real quick. Yo, come, follow me. Go around.
Don't let them mount up. Don't let them mount up.
Don't let them mount up.
Fucking.
Yo, here, on the north. Yeah, this one here. They're here. On my ping. Kill them.
Fuck these
5,
guys.
4, 3, 2, 1. Give me your air compress and fucking wipe them, please.
One tap them. One tap them here, boys.
Oh yeah, they're one tap. Yeah, they're gone. Yep, they're gone.
Fuck them and fuck their mums.
Kill them all, kill them all, kill them all.
These rats were just looting while Nameless was fighting.
Southwest, 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 southwest. Chase them southwest. A lot of them going southwest. Kill them all, please. None of them leave. Okay, let's go. Let's go east to the hideout. We go on the hideout, then we run back together. Dude, you guys can full push against all these fucking like Zergs, and then you guys like so scared against Winter just because of their fucking guild name, bruh. Like, come on, man. You think they're that good? Think about it, man. You guys can be as good as them, man. Fuck. You guys just scared as fuck. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. Like, they don't have a bomb squad, right? They
I
don't-
just
like,
arrived when he was screaming, "Why are we pussies? Why are we pussies?" And I'm,
Bruh.
oh,
Dude, listen. We literally killed their bomb squad at the start. Okay, their bomb squad was dead at the start. Okay, they literally full engaged the troll. We could have just all walked in, but then like everybody is scared just because. What? I mean Tundra. What?
Nameless on there.
Yo, nameless is regearing, dude. We need to run. Yo, guys, we need to dip. Come southwest.
They had 5 sets for today, you know.
Yo, Rash. I need you to get your guys out. Okay, nameless. They keep regearing and coming back. I'm just gonna get my guys to go out. Yo, guys, listen. Run, guys, just run, alright? Just run.
Alright.
There's no command right now. I just need you guys to run, okay? If you can run,
Vermin,
okay, if you want, you can even go into the Triad hideout, yeah? Go into Triad hideout, right? And then just like TP back.
Vermin go to peaks, and I want you to all depot your loot. We got loot
There
lockers
is no cause right now. Everybody just run back.
If you find a miss,
They're on the northeast gate. I think the huge blob is them.
Oh, it's them? Oh shit.
So everybody just get back to town safe. You're not